100 English words that start with X. Listen and repeat for beginners.
Mike. Today's letter feels like a challenge.
Exactly, Myra. X is extra special.
We've collected 100 real English words.
All starting with X.
Some are common, some are unique.
But all will expand your vocabulary.
Listen carefully
Repeat after us.
and explore the X factor.
Listen and repeat.
X-ray,
X-ray,
xylophone,
xylophone,
Xerox,
Xerox,
xenon,
xenon,
xylem,
xylem,
xylograph,
xylograph,
xylotomy,
xylotomy,
xyloid,
xyloid,
xenophile,
xenophile,
xenophobia.
xenophobia. Amazing so far.
Let's keep going. Xerosis,
Xerosis,
xerothermic,
xerothermic,
xerarch,
xerarch,
xeric,
xeric,
xeroderma,
xeroderma,
xerophyte,
xerophyte,
xerography,
xerography,
xanthic,
xanthic,
xanthine,
xanthin,
xanthine.
xanthine.
Great work.
Keep repeating.
Xanthin,
Xanthin,
xanthophyll,
xanthophyll,
xanadu,
xanadu,
xena,
xena,
xanthoma,
xanthoma,
xylography,
xylography,
xylocarp,
xylocarp,
xylidine,
xylidine,
xylitol,
xylitol,
xylenol.
xylenol. Halfway there.
Stay with us. Xylene,
Xylene,
xylidine,
xylidine,
xylographer,
xylographer,
xylographist,
xylographist,
xylotomist,
xylotomist,
xyloid,
xyloid,
xylenes,
xylenes,
xyrid,
xyrid,
xyrus,
xyrus,
xanthate.
xanthate.
Doing amazing.
Let's keep going.
Xenogenesis,
Xenogenesis,
xennial,
xennial,
xenogamy,
xenogamy,
xenobiotic,
xenobiotic,
xenochrist,
xenochrist,
xenolithic,
xenolithic,
xenoposeidon,
xenoposeidon,
xenopus,
xenopus,
xenotime,
xenotime,
xerithenum.
xeranthemum. Almost there.
Let's finish strong. Xeriscape,
Xeroscape,
xerophilus,
xerophilus,
xerophytes,
xerophytes,
zestergy,
zestergy,
xylotomus,
xylotomus,
xenarthra,
xenarthra,
xerancis,
xerancis,
xenagogue,
xenagogue,
xenagogy,
xenagogy,
xenoglossy,
xenoglossy.
and a few more rare gems.
Repeat them too.
Xenomania,
Xenomania,
xiphoid,
xiphoid,
xylogenic,
xylogenic,
xenolithic,
xenolithic,
xyphosura,
xyphosura,
xerophagy,
xerophagy,
Xerotherm,
Xerotherm.
xylophonist,
Xylophonist.
xenolith,
Xenolith.
xericoles.
Xericoles. Wow! You finished 100 real X words,
Some common, some advanced.
but all add to your English power.
Subscribe to English Podcast.
For fun lessons, even with rare letters.
Keep repeating.
And keep your vocabulary extraordinary.
See you next time.